For thousands of years, rice has been planted, nurtured, and harvested by human hands. But in the age of artificial intelligence, that tradition is transforming. Meet the future of farming: AI-powered robots, designed to harvest rice with incredible accuracy and speed. No fatigue, no breaks, just non-stop, intelligent efficiency. These machines are equipped with cutting-edge computer vision, real-time data analysis, and deep learning algorithms. They can detect crop maturity, adapt to varying terrains, and optimize harvesting patterns, all without human intervention. Farmers can monitor performance and adjust settings remotely. Some systems even self-optimize, learning from every pass across the field to become smarter with each harvest. For many, this is a symbol of progress, a way to address labor shortages, reduce manual strain, and increase food production as global demand grows. Behind the scenes, AI researchers and agritech engineers are working tirelessly to refine these systems, making them faster, more affordable, and adaptable to local farming practices. Compared to traditional methods, AI robots can harvest rice nearly 30% faster and with less crop damage. A game changer for rural economies. From smart sensors to autonomous decision-making, this is more than automation, it's artificial intelligence, becoming an integral part of how we grow our food. As AI evolves, so too does agriculture. What once took weeks of labor can now be achieved in days, and with greater precision than ever before. In the quiet hum of a robot harvesting rice, we hear the sound of a new era. One where tradition meets technology, and the future of farming takes root. Subscribe for more tech innovations only on the Vista Tech.